Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an ice cream truck. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between an ice cream truck driver and his new assistant. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How old do you think this job is? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Nina. Are you ready for your first day?
Good morning, Jake. I am ready, but I am also a little nervous.
Don't worry. I will show you everything. First, let's load the ice cream.
Okay, where do we put the cups?
Put the cups in this box right here by the window.
Got it. What about the syrup? Chocolate and strawberry?
Yes, and we also need the sprinkles. Can you check the freezer?
Sure. Wow, it is already full of ice cream boxes.
We need a lot today. The weather report says it will be very hot.
How hot? I saw something about 95 degrees.
Yes, 95 degrees. It will be a busy, hot day for us.
95 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 35 degrees Celsius, right?
Yes, very hot.
I hope the ice cream does not melt too fast.
Don't worry about that. The freezer keeps everything very cold.
I am still a little worried. It is my first day after all.
You will do great. Hey, can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
Hey, how old do you think this job is?
I'm not sure. Maybe 20 years?
It is much older than that. I will tell you later.
Now I am curious. Please tell me now.
Not yet. Let's finish loading first. We have a busy day ahead.
Okay, but I will remember to ask you again.
Good. Now, can you help me carry this box to the truck?
Yes, of course. This box is heavy.
Careful with your back. Let's carry it together.
Thank you. I'm ready to start now.
Great. One more thing. Do you have your name tag?
Yes, right here on my shirt. Nina, new assistant.
Perfect. And your sunglasses. The sun will be very bright today.
I have them in my bag. Should I wear a hat too?
That is a good idea. Here, you can use this one.
Thank you. This will help a lot in this heat.
Let's get in the truck and go. Okay, Nina, let me show you our route for today.
Okay. How many stops do we make?
About 10 stops. First the park, then the school, then the houses.
When do we ring the bell or play the music?
We play the music when we get close to a stop, about 1 minute before.
Why 1 minute before?
So people can hear us and come outside. It gives them time.
That makes sense. The music is very nice.
Yes, kids love it. It makes people remember good times, too.
Speaking of memories, will you tell me my answer now?
My answer? Oh, about how old this job is?
Yes, please tell me.
Okay. You know, this job is more than 100 years old.
Really? 100 years? That is so old.
Yes, it started in a small city in Ohio.
Wow, I did not know that. How did they sell the ice cream?
They started with trucks that drove around and rang a bell.
Just like us, we still do the same thing today.
Exactly. Some things do not change very much.
That is amazing. I love learning about this job now.
Me too. I learned it from my old boss years ago.
This job has more history than I thought.
Yes, and today you are part of that history too.
I like that. Okay, let's get to our first stop.
Good. We are almost at the park now.
How many songs does the truck play?
We have about 5 different songs. I can change them from here.
Which song is your favorite?
I like the first one best. It is short and very happy.
I will learn all of them soon, I think.
You will. After a few days, you will know all the songs.
Hi, Derek. I need more dry ice and cups, please.
Hi, Nina. Welcome to your first day.
How is it going so far?
It is going well. We already sold a lot of ice cream.
That's great. It is a hot day, so business is good.
Yes, very hot. Can you show me where the dry ice is?
Sure. It is right here, in this cold room.
Wow, this room is freezing. How cold is it in here?
We keep it at -20 degrees.
-20? That is much colder than my freezer at home.
-20 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about -30 degrees Celsius.
Wow, that is really cold.
A home freezer is usually about 0 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about -18 degrees Celsius. This room is much colder.
That explains why it is so cold in here.
Exactly. Ice cream needs a very cold place to stay hard.
How do you know the room stays cold enough?
We check the temperature every day and write it in this log.
What is a log?
It is a book. We write the number and the time here.
Who checks this book?
A food safety worker may check this book.
Really? Why do they need to check it?
To make sure the ice cream is safe for people to eat.
That makes sense. Food safety is very important.
Yes, it is. Here are your cups and dry ice.
Thank you so much, Derek.
You are welcome. Have a great day out there.
Thanks. I need to hurry back to the truck now.
Take care, Nina. See you later.
Oh, wait. One more question. How many trucks work from this station?
We have 6 trucks. Yours is truck number 4.
6 trucks. That is more than I thought.
Yes, and every truck comes back here for supplies during the day.
That makes sense now. Okay, I really need to go.
Good luck, Nina. See you later.
See you later, Derek.
Okay, Nina, we have a long line of people. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go fast. What do I do first?
Take the money and I will make the ice cream cones.
Okay, sir, that will be $3, please.
Here you go, 1 chocolate cone.
Thank you. Next, please. That will be $2.50.
This heat is really strong today. I am already sweating.
Me too. My shirt is completely wet.
Let's keep going. We cannot stop when there is a long line.
Here is your change. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Nina, can you bring more napkins? We are almost out.
Sure, one moment. Here you go.
Thanks. This generator is making a strange sound today.
Really? I hear it too. It sounds louder than before.
Let's finish these last few customers, then I will check it right away.
Okay, 2 more people and then we can rest a little.
Good. My hands are getting tired from making cones.
Do you want me to make the next one?
Sure, thank you. Just put the ice cream in the cone like this.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. You are learning fast.
Thanks. This is fun, but very tiring in this heat.
I know. Let's drink some water after this line finishes.
Good idea. I am very thirsty.
Almost done. Just one more customer.
Here you go, sir. Thank you for waiting.
Great job today, Nina. You are doing well.
Thank you. My arms are tired, but I feel good.
Let's check the generator light one more time before we move.
It still looks a little strange, but not too bad.
Okay, let's check it again soon.
Good idea. I do not want any surprises today.
Me neither. Let's drive to our next stop now. Hello, Grace. Nice to see you again.
Hello, Jake. I stop here for ice cream every week.
I know. You have been a customer for a long time.
Yes, for many, many years. This truck brings back memories for me.
Really? What kind of memories?
When I was a little girl, the truck played a song just like this one.
That's wonderful. Did you buy ice cream every week?
Yes, almost every week. Ice cream cost much less when I was a child.
Wow, that is very different from today.
I know. Things were much cheaper when I was young.
Some things never change, huh? The music and the smiles are still the same.
You're right. The bell, the music, the happy children, it all feels the same.
That makes me happy to hear. What can I get for you today?
I will have the same as always, please. Vanilla with chocolate sauce.
1 vanilla cone with chocolate. Here you go.
Thank you, Jake. Is that a new assistant with you today?
Yes, her name is Nina. This is her first day on the job.
How lovely. I remember my first job many years ago.
What was your first job, Grace?
I worked at a small shop selling flowers. I was only 16.
That sounds like a nice job.
It was. I still remember the smell of fresh flowers every morning.
Good memories. This is a wonderful job for Nina, too. Here is your cone, Grace.
Thank you so much. This is delicious, as always.
I am happy you like it. See you next week.
Of course, I will not miss it.
Have a great day, Grace.
You too, Jake. Stay cool in this heat.
Nina, do you hear that sound? Something is wrong with the generator.
Yes, I hear it. There's a warning light blinking too.
Oh no, the generator is too hot. This heat is too much for it.
What do we do? The ice cream is starting to feel soft.
Stay calm. First, let's stop the truck under that tree in the shade.
Okay, we are moving into the shade now.
Good. Now we need to add more dry ice to the freezer, quickly.
I have the dry ice from the station. Here it is.
Perfect. Use the gloves first. Dry ice is very cold.
Okay, gloves on.
Now open the freezer and put it in, carefully.
I am putting it in now. Is this enough?
Add a little more, just to be safe.
Done. Is the ice cream going to be okay?
Let's check. Yes, it is still hard enough. We fixed it in time.
That was scary. I did not know what to do.
You did great. You listened and helped very quickly.
Thank you. What about the generator? Is it okay now?
The shade is helping it cool down. Let's wait a few minutes.
Should we stop selling ice cream for now?
Yes, just for a short time. Safety first.
I understand. I'm happy it is okay now.
Me too. This happens sometimes on very hot days like today.
I will remember this for next time.
Good. Now let's check the generator light again.
The light looks better now. It is not blinking anymore.
Let me call Derek now and tell him what happened, just to be safe.
Okay, I will wait for his answer.
Derek says everything sounds fine now. We can start the truck again.
Great teamwork, Jake. I'm glad we solved the problem together.
We made it, Nina. What a long, hot day that was.
Yes, but we did it. I am so tired, but happy.
You did really well today, especially with the generator problem.
Thank you. I learned so much today.
So tell me, how old is this job, really?
Oh, I remember now. It started in the 1920s.
That's right. Do you remember the company name?
Yes, Good Humor started it, right?
That's right. Perfect answer.
I remembered because you told me on the truck this morning.
Good. Now you know some history about your new job.
I do, and I learned about the freezer temperature from Derek, too.
That's right. -20 degrees. Very cold.
And you told me Grace remembers ice cream being much cheaper long ago.
You learned a lot today. This job has a lot of history.
It does, and it was much harder than I thought it would be.
The heat was very strong today. You did very well with it.
Thank you. At the start, I was so nervous.
I remember. But look at you now, calm and confident.
I feel much better now. I am proud of myself.
You should be. You worked hard and you helped fix a real problem.
It was scary, but we solved it together.
That is teamwork. Welcome to the ice cream truck family, Nina.
Thank you, Jake. I cannot wait for tomorrow.
Same here. Let's finish cleaning the truck and go home.
Sounds good. Thank you for teaching me so much today.
You are very welcome. See you tomorrow, Nina.
See you tomorrow, Jake.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How old do you think this job is? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.